Hello, Mara, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website. I will be covering the website, the front page, the content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see here that you have the links to the different back pages, the e-commerce widget. You also have some description of the company, a brief description of the company, links to showing the different brands and partners that you work with. Also, why to choose you, a little bit of a portfolio and the pictures of the projects that you have conducted and the services that you perform or that you provide. And in the footer, the directory of the full website and links to your social media accounts. So overall, it's easy to navigate. Perhaps you could add a click to call button at the top, and you could have the contact us form over here just to make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. You could also think about including like directions or the location map, so that anyone wants to visit, they can do it, and they can find all of the information here on your website. You could also add a little bit more content. So right now, your front page has 516 words. And if I have a look at one of your competitors, Florida Powerhouse, these guys have 581 words, but although it's not too much of a difference, they are ranking at the top. So you can beat them out. And the sweet spot for Google is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because that's where your website will be optimized for Google. So now in terms of the content, what you want is that you want to have relevant value intent keywords, which is basically the way people search in Google when they want to buy a product or a service. And you want to have that content in your website so that Google can find you for it. So I came here to the Google search and I type in generator repair Miami. And the first section is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving and generating leads quick. Then the Google Map Packs, to rank it here, you need optimize and geotag pictures. You also need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories. And that's what we call citations. And the name, address, and phone number need to be an exact match with those details of the Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can rank in one of these top 3 positions. This section drives 30 to 40% of the traffic. So just bear that in mind. Now, the third section is what we call the Google Organic Search. In here, I found lots of directories. So that's where I found your competitor. In fact, this website is not working, so that's why I'm using this Florida Powerhouse. To rank in the Google Organic Search, first your website needs to be built correctly, but you also need something that we call backlinks. So right now I use a tool called Ahrefs, and right now I am looking at your website, and this tool helps me analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that you have 103 backlinks. So that's basically 44 external websites that are directing traffic towards your website through 103 links. If I have a look at Florida Powerhouse, this is the landing page for generator maintenance only. They have 3 backlinks in 2 external websites. And if I have a look at the whole domain, I can see that these guys are have 2,260 backlinks in 45 external referring domains. So that's why the parent domain might be passing a little bit of power to the other back page. Now, in terms of the content, your website is being found for 343 keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. And then the volume tells me the number of times this keyword is searched for per month. And then the position is in which position your website is appearing for the Google Organic Search. So I can see here that you are not ranking for any bio intent keyword. And this this basically refers to the different references and equipment that you work with. Now, if I have a look at Florida Powerhouse, these guys are being found for 542 keywords. And some of the keywords in here are generator repair Miami, which has a search volume of 150, and they are in the 4th position. Miami generator service, search volume of 50, they are in the 3rd position. Generator repair Miami, Florida, search volume of 40, and they're in the 3rd position. Generator Service Miami, search volume of 50, and they're in the fourth position. So basically, between these four, you are talking about 290 searches per month. So basically, what you want to do is that you want to identify what are those keywords that are attracting the highest search volume, because those are the keywords that you want to target. You want to maximize the number of times your website is in front of potential customers, because a percentage of those potential customers, they're going to end in your website. Another percentage is going to reach out to you. And then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land and convert more customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to boost the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.